On YouTube. Today I'm going to show you to jailbreak, fully load any Android box, and specifically the ON 4K box or the ON stick that's found in your local Walmart or Target or perhaps on Amazon. Very cheap box, very fast and very good box, I'd like to say. Very comparable to Amazon, if not maybe even better. Running Android OS, Android TV, okay? I'm going to show you a couple of things you got to do off the bat. Because people are complaining the ON box is removing their apps. I'm going to show you how to get around that so it doesn't remove all your apps and you get the most out of it. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account into your Android box, ON box. And once you're logged into that, you want to do, the first thing you want to go is to the settings icon right here. Go into your settings. And once in the settings, you want to go into privacy. Click on privacy. And once in the privacy, scroll down all the way to security and click into security and make sure you turn these off. Scan apps with Play Protect and improve harmful app detection. Turn it off. If you have this on, Google will always remove your apps. It's like the police banging on your door and try and take things away that you own, okay? You want this stuff definitely off. Turn it off. It's gonna not remove your third-party apps that are going to give you free movies, shows, sports, and all that content. I'll show you how to get the best unlinked store, my store that's updated every week, and how to get full access to it, okay? Stay tuned and let's check this out. Once you're done that, press the home button and you want to go here in apps, okay? And you want to go to search apps and games on your ON 4K box. Click into it. You can type in downloader or you can use the voice search. I like to use the voice search. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's give it a shot live in front of you guys and gals. Downloader. I said it real slow and then you can see it popped up, downloader application. So you want to look under apps and you want to make sure you find downloader. Once you find that, click on the downloader app. You'll be presented with the screen. Press the install app. If something doesn't work, make sure you take all the updates on your box. The voice wasn't working for me earlier. I took all the updates for the box and updates for the remote. If you go in the settings menu and there's any updates in the about menu, please make sure you take them. Okay, you can have the button here to open, but let's not open it up yet. We're going to do a couple of things still. Okay, let's press the home button and we're going to go back into see how we have downloader now installed here and go search apps and games. Click into it again, and this one we're going to type it in because it's hard to pronounce. We're going to say IP vanish, okay? Let's get that. That's going to give you full access into my unlinked store, okay? Just like that, IP vanish, and press the search icon right here. What's going to come up? It's going to come up with a green and white logo. Click on that little logo and install the application, okay? Give it a minute. It's going to install IP vanish VPN, okay? And once it installs, we're going to open it up and I'll show you exactly how to use IP Vanish VPN. The most famous VPN on the Fire Stick, but now on the Android TV, on the ON box, works great, okay? So once it installs, we're just going to open it up by pressing the open button. We're going to be presented with a login screen, with a login username and password. So what's going to do with this VPN, we're going to be able to get unlinked, special applications, which will give you free movies, free TV shows, and ton of other content. It's going to unlock full access, and it's going to give you movies, TV shows, and more links, and all the updates from my unlinked store specifically, okay? So scan this barcode. You can pause the video with your phone, or you can go to this bit.ly link here. Also in the pinned comment description, you can go to those bit.ly links as well. You'll be presented with a landing page. You'll choose your package. It's a few dollars a month. It's a cup of coffee at Starbucks, and it's going to give you GeoBlock sports, GeoBlock content, more movies, more TV shows, access to all the third-party applications, and full access to my unlinked store, okay? Full access to the unlinked store and all the updates every week that you get in the unlinked store for your applications. It's like having cable TV, but much, much better for a few dollars a month just running the VPN. So you can pause the video, take care of that, scan the barcode here, go to this bit link or in the pinned comment description, pause the video, take care of that. You'll be taken to their landing page, sign up for your package. Like I said, you'll get an email confirmation, confirm your email, and then you'll be ready to log in. So I'm going to log into mine. You can pause the video, get your account, and then we'll continue showing you how to set this VPN up to work with Unlinked in conjunction together, okay? Okay, once I log in with my account, it will look something like this. We're not connected yet. This is what we have to do. It says not connected. You're going to click the gear icon here, and we're going to say connect on Android Startup. We're going to turn it on. We're going to click one back on our remote. We're going to go to location right here. And from the location menu, we're going to go to countries. We're going to scroll all the way to the right side until we reach United States. We're going to click on United States. We're going to favorite United States. And it's going to put a yellow star. We're going to click on it again, and we're going to say connect to United States. Okay, it's going to come up with this connection request. We're going to press the OK button, and it's going to connect to the VPN. Now we can have full access to the unlinked application. So your account is available right here. We're connected somewhere in the US here. Okay. And you can see VPN is connected. You can see you have a different IP address. Now we can access the unlinked application. So it's a few dollars a month, a cup of coffee at Starbucks. That's how much it is, full unthrottled access. So you can get that information here. I partner with IPVanish to give you guys the best discount, probably around 60 to 70%. If you click on that link, you're not going to find this deal anywhere. And it's going to keep you fully protected, unlimited devices. So if you have 10 Fire Sticks, 10 on 4K boxes, 10 phones in your house, 10 tablets, 10 iPads, whatever you have, you can use one account on all of them. Okay? So once you do that, let's press the home button. Once you take care of that, and if you notice, it will take us back here, and you notice that we have now the downloader, and we have the IPVanish application running with connected to the US server. What we're going to do now, we're going to go up here. We're going to open up downloader by clicking on the downloader application. Okay? And what that's going to do, it's going to open up the downloader application. Now we're going to go up in here, click into here, and we're going to type in unlinked.link. Okay? So you can use the voice remote, or you can type it in. I'll try the voice remote. Unlinked.link. There you go. Works pretty well. I like this. I like this remote. Very nice on the, on 4K box. Really incredible. If you guys use it on 4K, hit a thumbs up. I really like it. Comparable to Fire Stick, pretty good. Okay. So if it doesn't recognize your voice just like mine, if you get some errors in here and stuff, just type it in. Make sure you get unlinked.link in there. Exactly. Okay. Unlinked.link. Once you do that, press the little arrow here. That's going to connect to the Unlinked website. And a good thing is this has a D-pad like a Fire Stick. You see, I can move it around until you reach download APK Android, and click on that. Once you do that, it's going to connect, and it's going to pop up with this box here, and it's going to download the downloader, okay? And it's going to try to download the Unlinked application. It's going to pop up with this saying, this isn't allowed. Google says this is not allowed. That's okay. Press settings, no worries. Okay, and see how it says install unknown apps? Takes you right there. Okay, and click on downloader and make sure you allow it. And then this will pop up. You're going to press the install, and then from here it's going to install the Unlinked application. Okay, now once it installs the Unlinked application, you can just straight open it. Click on open. It's going to take you to this menu. Our VPN is on. All we have to do now is click the new library, and this will blink. You click inside here, and you type in basically Fire Stick. Okay, so let's try the voice. Fire Stick. See, that's wrong because it will never get me into the store because there's a space. So make sure you type this in without any spaces. Capitalization doesn't matter. See, I'm putting in half of the word with capitals and half of it without capitals. As long as the word Fire Stick is there, regardless of capitalization, just the word Fire Stick, and then you would just press the little check mark, and that would throw you right into my store, the word Fire Stick, okay? The library code. Now, when you're in here, don't press enter yet. Read this welcome message. It's going to tell you what are the best apps for the on 4K or an Android TV box. What are the best apps? These are the best apps for movies and TV shows and live TV. All these apps. Take a picture with your phone. This is blurred out on my screen, but if you do it on your actual box, you'll see it on your screen at home when you're doing this in front of your TV, okay? So make sure you take a picture of this pop-up when you're actually doing it, okay? Just note that down. When you enter, just read that welcome message. It'll pop up, okay? Once you're done that, press enter to enter into my store. So for presentation purposes, I'm in Fire Stick Tools, but you can scroll up and down and go to the top 10 section, New Tech app, go to the top 6 movies and TV shows section, top live television section. You just scroll down and up. You'll see all those apps, and then you can scroll left and right to get them. But for YouTube presentation purposes, we're only permitted to show you as much as we can show you. So today we're going to install the NewTek Subscribe app and the Task Kill Fire Stick, just to show you how to install apps, okay? And then it would be the same process to install all the other apps if you click up and down, left and right in my store. So let's click on our first app here. Let's press the download button, and it'll happen for all the apps just like that. It's going to download the app, and when it downloads the app, it's going to say install app. We're going to click install app, and then it's going to start screaming at us again. We're going to press OK, no worries. Go straight to install unknown apps, and we're going to turn unlinked switch on. Okay, once you're done that, click back, and it's going to throw you back and say, would you like to install it now? We're going to say install, yes. And it's going to come up with another screen and flicker, and then you'll get a notification that the app is installed or it installed in the background, okay? There you go. Now, the second app you're going to install, Task Kill Fire Stick, you're going to download it. But, you know, this is example only. You'll scroll up and down and install them. Now, when you hit install app, it's not going to scream. It's just going to install right away because we turned that unknown sources on, and it's done. That's how fast we've done it. So up and down, get all the apps you want, okay? They're all there, okay? They're all there, top 6, top live TV. You can fully load this on 4K backs and get all the content. Make sure you also get the media players. So there's a section in here called media players. This is required for some of the free movie and TV show apps. It'll say this media player, B player, is for this app. This media player is for this app. So under media players category, everything is categorized for you. So when you press the home button, you'll see that these apps now, if you go under apps, they should be installed. See, we installed Android TV, and we installed Fast Task Kill Switch, which didn't show up in our applications here. And then from here, you would just launch the app. I'll just launch this one, Android TV, and it takes you right to YouTube, and YouTube will start up, and it takes you right to my channel, and then you can check out my videos, okay? Just a little app I did. But all the movie and TV show apps, you'll start in the same fashion. But if something doesn't show up, as a little tip, it might hide some apps for you. So work around, you're going to go gear icon, and then you're going to find all your apps here under apps. When you click in here, see how some of them will be hidden. You're going to hit see all apps, and Fast Task Killer is right there, just sitting there. And I can run it here, and I can just press open, and that would run the Fast Task Kill Switch, and it kills a lot of apps in the background. Hopefully it didn't mess up the box, causing it to reboot, but that's great. So all your apps and movie stuff will show up. You can also reorder these apps as you like, so you can move them around, and you can have access to the unlinked application at any time to go back, to get more apps, to get more updates. Just make sure you're running the VPN. I'll go into IPVanish, and I'll show you throughout the whole time, 7 minutes here, we're running the VPN. I was downloading all the apps. I was accessing Unlink. That's going to give you the full access to Unlink. Just scan this barcode, go to this bit.ly link here, or the bit.ly link in the comment and description. That's going to get you going. That's going to give you the most out of your on 4K box, and it's going to give you unlimited access to the unlinked application at all times. All the movie, TV show apps will show up. This is a great little box, works really great. I'm really enjoying this box, and thank you guys and ladies for watching. It's been an amazing time with you together, and if this worked for you, if you bought the on box, if you're using Fire Stick, if you decided to switch, drop some comments below. Comments are very important to me. I don't ask for donations. I don't ask for money. All I want you guys and gals to do, just comment on this video below. I would highly, highly appreciate it. If you just drop a comment, it would be just truly amazing, okay? Tell me what city and town you're from, where, what city you're from, what's your favorite food, whatever you want to say, what's your favorite sports team, just drop a comment. If I do pin lock my unlinked store in the future, if there's a pin number, I'm going to only give out the pin number, the pin lock, to the people that commented on my video, okay? So, very important, comment on my video. I don't ask for any money. I don't ask for any donations. Just please comment on my video. I'd highly appreciate it. And that's pretty much it. Also in the description here below this video, you'll see that I have an X account. Please follow the X account. Follow the Facebook page. There'll be a lot of updates. You'll always have a fully loaded Fire Stick, always fully loaded Android box, whatever you're trying to fully load. I'm always showing you the best apps, and I always have the best apps first, okay? So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Have a beautiful